Okay, yeah. I'm gonna do a little, maybe a little bit of that right there, yeah. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to just do this just so I'll know. I'm not going to be in this room much longer. Of course, I'm not really sure yet. But anyway, I'm in this room, so this is what I'm doing. Anyway, I just wanted to get, just for my thing about knowing, since it's like my first time of doing it in this room like this. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, I got this mask, and once again, yeah, I just want to see what the lighting is at this way. I mean, it seems like, as far as the lighting goes, as far as skin tone at this point, looks fairly decent, and I don't know if it's going to maybe require maybe a hair transplant or my entire mouth then with like upper and lower dental implants, maybe some body contouring and some political liposuction, some contouring, the first time the way I saw the way the light reflected, glistened, and gleamed off the shape of those bumpers, I almost immediately knew that there possibly could be something special between us. Oh my god, yeah. Okay, anyway, yeah, so anyway, I wanted to like get this mask here and you know, see what the deal is with the lighting here. But anyway, yeah. All right, yeah. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, all right. It's a little bit brighter than what it was with the other video I made. Um, yeah, so it's kind of, let's see here. It has a little bit more the closer. It's kind of like I was referring to just a little bit earlier in a little bit in a different segment of the video, was whether or not if the screen ratio, there's the 16:9 ratio, and 3:4, and the 1:1 ratio for the screen. Okay, and if that was actually going to be maybe any similarity of what maybe magnification may or may not mean to measuring light density and autofocus and all that stuff. And I'm actually just wanting to know for, just for me. I have this mask, and I very rarely, wear it. I mean, really, truthfully, not at all. Normally, it's not my thing, but I mean, really, I, with the COVID-19 thing, it was like a lot of, suggesting wearing like the surgical mask for like filtering, as far as the air quality goes and all that. So, I was actually looking for like a box at bulk gray of that, and I clicked on a different page, and bam, this is what you're looking at, what you've seen with this mask here right here was just like there. And I mean, I wasn't even planning on buying or looking for any kind of mask like this at all. But it's kind of like it's set up, and it's just like, I don't know. It's kind of like it has the American look to it. It has that serious look as well, and plus it's like set up like a sword fighter's um, screen, like for the screen for like eye protection. It's like a thoroughly, predominantly a real strong type of a gauge type of screen with good visual, and yet a safeguard, and protecting the eyes in that way. And likewise on the inside, it's not very noticeable, although there is like ventilation for like breathing, and it's like real good right now. And if need be, I mean, actually, if there's like a need to like place any filtration beyond the screen that's already provided, and I'm not really anticipating that. But the thing with this is that yeah, I could do that if I just need to. But it's kind of like I got this because actually just like riding a scooter, as a matter of fact, or a three-wheel like trike scooter. I actually like thought maybe so, as compared to like maybe wearing a helmet. I have helmets with all that good stuff, but anyway, I got this also for like maybe the possibility if I just felt like wearing it for like weed eating around the house, or whatever the case may be. But I wanted to see what this looks like at this distance with the lighting, and see if I can see any difference. Whether or not if actually, normally I would have this on what you're looking at there is like a 16:9 screen ratio. Normally I have it on full, but I was looking for the magnification. There's an option of choosing what type of zoom as far as like the magnification goes. It's kind of like for some like reason, okay, I'm kind of like I'm still looking for it, okay, and normally that wouldn't be the issue at all, but in any case, yeah, so like, I'm just trying to decide if any autofocus is an automatic thing, and maybe if that is within my control. I'm kind of wondering about, certain issues. I'm just wanting to see if there's any, like, issue that would reflect any measuring of light's density or luminance in the way of what adjusting maybe even a autofocus might mean to magnification, or even a screen ratio. And really, I'm looking for that right now, and it's kind of like I kind of have this on there just really just for that thought, in that way. But in any case, yeah, so like, I got this, and I was wanting to see what the lighting would look like, with, I did this earlier with, like, the light coming through the window, and I just wanted to know, I'm not even going to wear them when I'm playing my drums, like some drummers do. I might, who knows, but probably not at all. But anyway, yeah, I thought I'd get this because, like, when I saw it, it's kind of like, like the first one of a kind. It was like the first one, and one of a kind. It's kind of like sometimes that happens. Truthfully so, and it's, like maybe 10 or 15 years ago, I actually was looking maybe for something like this. I didn't find anything that was like, had any significant, reason to. But this one here, I don't know, it kind of like really got my attention, just for the American, kind of American. It's almost like an American, like, thing with the blue and the star thing, and the white star, and the kind of red, kind of really somewhere in between. I don't know if I would call that amber, somewhere in between orange and a little bit of brown, maybe, and a little bit of red. Kind of, I don't know if that's actually in the category of a type of amber color. Anyway, yeah, so I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, I thought maybe I might want to know, but in any case, yeah, so yeah, there it is. So I'm going to decide if there's going to be any automatic focus or auto measuring density to compensate for what autofocus might mean with magnification, and or a ratio for the size of the screen. And really, that's kind of like what I'm looking at right now, just to see if that's going to be something that I might need to know, or maybe use in a compensating way, or an alternative to, adjust maybe something I might need to have to adjust. And anyway, so I thought I'd look at that way. So anyway, there it is right there. All right, yeah, all right. Okay, here we go.